Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study history effectively for UPSC. Begin by thoroughly understanding the UPSC history syllabus, noting key periods and themes. It is essential to prioritize ancient, medieval, and modern Indian history sections based on their importance. Understanding the weightage of each historical period helps you allocate your study time wisely. Always focus on developing conceptual clarity rather than just memorizing isolated facts for better retention and application. Selecting the right study materials is paramount for UPSC history. Choose a few standard textbooks and commit to studying them thoroughly. Insert books, specifically from Class 6 to 12, are indispensable as foundational material. You can supplement these with one or two advanced reference books to gain deeper insights into specific topics. The key is to avoid accumulating too many resources, which can lead to confusion and inefficient study. To learn history effectively, create detailed timelines that help you visualize chronological events and their interconnections. Develop concise, self-written notes, focusing on the key events, their causes, and consequences. Always strive to connect historical events to their broader social, economic, and political contexts for a holistic understanding. Regularly practice active recall by testing your knowledge without referring to your notes, which significantly aids memory retention. A robust revision and practice strategy is crucial for success. Implement a consistent revision schedule, revisiting all historical periods frequently. Make it a point to solve previous year's UPSC question papers for both the preliminary and main examinations. Regularly attempt mock tests to enhance your time management skills and improve accuracy. Finally, always analyze your mistakes from these practice tests to pinpoint your weak areas and work on them effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.